Today I'm upgrading my Tesla. I have a lot painting sprays and I put to my Tesla. I need color right now, the everything right here. I drink on the parking lot because outside is super hot. I never do before this experience. Let's try that. Let's take a look the result. I'm using original spray paint for acrylic spray paint. It's not for like a car.
And it's so rude. I was waiting for no good, and I know it's an attack kid. You may think that I'm a lackey, but in my mind I saw you. I just thought I'm feeling.
I think it's cool, right? I like the color. It's very interesting. Double check is it working or no? But it's a fit. It's a stay cool over there. I wanna wash my car and take a look how it look after the wash. But right now it's right now it's looks very cool. Let's take a look how is the look outside my car. Let's go.